Hello guys, welcome back again. This is UF Graphics. If you're seeing me for the first time, this is UF Graphics. Alright, without wasting much of our time, this thing that they call SEO, if I'm not mistaken, SEO. Alright, many people have been asking what is SEO. If you're doing a research on YouTube on how to grow and stuff like that, you're going to be seeing SEO. Alright, so I'm just here to break it down. This SEO may be the reason why you're not going viral. This SEO may be the reason why your videos are not suggested. So without wasting much of our time, in a few minutes I'm going to be breaking down what this SEO really means and what its functions and what it really serves. Alright, at the end of this video I'm going to be mentioning four functions of this SEO, and it may be the reason why you have not been getting views. It may be the reason why your channel have not been recommended. Alright, at first I'm going to be defining it, or I'm going to be telling you guys what this SEO really means. Alright, this SEO is a kind of the abbreviation, you get, is the abbreviation, and the full meaning is search engine optimization. That's the full meaning of SEO. Alright, you may be asking, what's this function? This SEO on YouTube, it do a lot of things. It's what makes people find you. It's what makes your video being recommended even when you're not posting. That's just one good function of it. It really helps, and big creators know this. That is why they barely talk about it. And this video, what I'm always there doing is unveiling hidden hacks that people barely talk about, and bring it to your notice to know and how to use it, to know and get use of using it. Alright, so this SEO in our matter today is a kind of an engine. You can call it an engine that pushes people's videos to the right audience. Alright, pushing someone's video to the right audience has to do with search. You cannot just push a video to a person. The person might have searched the title or the topic, you get. Now, making this work effectively or effective for you on your channel, you're going to be using the right hashtags, the right thumbnails, the right descriptions, you get. So once you start making use of these things, using it the right way, this SEO is going to really work for you. You may be thinking, this SEO is not working for me. The reason why it's not working for you, have not started using it rightly. Now once you start using it rightly, it's going to be your friend. I don't know, I've came across something on YouTube that said SEO friendly, use SEO friendly hashtag, you get. Alright, this SEO friendly hashtag, they're just trying to tell you that use a good hashtag. Once you start making use of good hashtag, the SEO is going to be your friend. Alright, I'm going to teach you, I'm going to prescribe the way and methods to make this SEO your friend, you get, on this tutorial. Alright, the number one, what I have to say is making the SEO your friend, which is search engine optimization. You're going to be using a very good hashtags. Alright, hashtag in this content has to do with, firstly, it has to do with your content. Reason, your hashtag, your content, sorry to say, your content, it's what determines the kind of hashtag to use. You get. Let me still bring it down. The type of content you create, it's what give you the right hashtags to make or to use. Alright, let me give you an example here. If you're creating a YouTube tutorial, just like I'm doing here, so the hashtag to use to make the SEO my friend on this my tutorial video, I'm going to be using related hashtag that has to do with this video. Just try and follow me up. I'm going to be using the related tags that has to do with this video. Alright, that related tags could be how to grow on YouTube is the hashtag. Do you get it now? It could be how to grow on YouTube. It could be get 1,000 subscribers within so month, within so time. You get all these things is related to this video. It could be hashtag bearing makes SEO your friend. Have you seen it now? Now, if someone should come online, maybe a struggling creator or a struggling beginner, like someone that just starting up YouTube and it's just trying to figure out how it's being run and stuff like that, so automatically the person is going to be watching tutorials on how to build a solid YouTube channel. All right, now if the person ever search on how to get 1,000 subscribers, my videos are going to be one of the videos that are going to be recommended. Certainly, that is just it. It's going to be recommended. All right, so this always work when you use the right hashtag. It's not going to it's not going to just start working for you if you don't make use of the hashtag. It works when you place the right hashtag on the right video. All right, let me still give an example here. You can misplace this hashtag and titles on the wrong video. All right, it may sound somehow, but that's just it. All right, you cannot create an entertainment video and you're going to be using the hashtag of tutorial, the hashtag of learning skill. Like for instance, okay, let me still bring it down. Just like you're dancing for instance, you're doing dancing videos and you're done dancing and you're done editing your video. Now you're kind of posting it on YouTube. Now then the hashtag you're going to be using is senator or educational video or getting 1,000. Bro, your video is going to have 0 view. That's just the fact. That is just the fact. That SEO is called search engine. The meaning of search engine is the name. Search is what people are going to be searching. Remember, some words is self-explanatory. Search, if you hear the word search, you already know what it means. So people are going to be searching. That's search engine optimization. The engine there is a kind of, you know how engine works. Engine is very smart, so plenty people can be searching and it's going to be definitely going to be supplying them with the right videos depending on what they are searching. That's the engine there. Then optimization is a kind of delivering the, let me just say so, delivering the right videos to the people searching it. It's safe to say so. All right, so it's best you use the right hashtags for your videos. It's best to use the right hashtag. Now this can really affect the channel a lot. It can really affect a channel depending on the person, regardless of the kind of videos you're creating. It can really affect your channel. Now when you see the most good aspect of this search engine optimization is it can give you views and watch time hour even when you're not posting. Let me break it down. Why I say it can give you views even when you're not posting. When you have uploaded a video, all right, I saw a channel that posted about 15 videos and I still went ahead to check the date and stuff like that. It had been a while and currently people are still watching that video. What is helping that channel is search engine, is what they call SEO, search engine optimization. Now even if the video stays up to 5 years without the person uploading more, once anybody that wants that video searches it, search engine optimization is still going to bring up the person's video. Now in this case, the search engine optimization is a kind of a very good friend to the person. That's just it. That is how to make search engine optimization your friend, which is abbreviated like an abbreviation SEO. All right, having said that, I'm going to be mentioning 4 things, as I said earlier, 4 things, or let's say 4 functions of this SEO, search engine optimization, what it can be doing to your channel, how it can help you. You cannot just get into anything that does not have benefits. you okay, just like people selling, you get into a business because there is profit. All right, you cannot start being convinced or agreeing to what I'm saying without you knowing the benefits of you doing this thing that I'm saying here now. All right, so I'm going to quickly mention about 4 benefits of this search engine optimization. All right, the first I have in my list here is it helps your channel grow even when you're not posting. Okay, I've said this earlier, let me still emphasize more on this. It helps your channel grow when, I'm not going to emphasize much, I already explained it here. When you use right hashtags on your videos, even when you're not posting, YouTube is going to be pushing it. YouTube is just a website. What is really doing the work is called SEO, search engine optimization. It's going to be suggesting your videos to the people that are searching it. All right, the second I have here is it connects your videos to the right audience. It connects your videos to the right audience in the sense of the right audience. Just like assuming I'm just an upcoming creator, I just started YouTube newly, and